So you know that thing where you think you're recording but you're not? I just did that. Hey, Mom! This is my old lopper. Obviously people have been putting it directly in the dirt, which is probably not a good thing. I can always go and buy a new one, and I still might do that, but I'm not going to buy a new one today. So we're going to go over how to kind of rehab. You hear the sand in there? How to rehab this. Okay? And to do that, we're going to use a sharpening tool, maybe some of this stainless steel, brillo, and some oil for that after we're done. Okay. So you know that thing when you think you're recording and you're not? Well, I just did that. So I'm just going to kind of pantomime this part, but I've already done it. Spoiler alert, very successful. So I'm going to use this. It's a sharpening tool. Basically, pocket-sized tool is ideal for sharpening all blades, including pruners, loppers, hedge shears, and more. And the instructions are super simple. I don't know what this AC 8300 is, but use AC 8300 for all your pruning tools, which I assume is like an oil. Oh, AC 30. Jeez, that's the model number. Okay. Maintain, I just figured that out. Maintain the same factory bevel or angle of the cutting edge when sharpening. File the bevel edge from the pivot toward the tip 4 or 5 times and check the edge. I assume that's with your finger because that's what I did. File the flat side of the blade once with the file against the blade to remove burrs and caused by sharpening. So I'll just go through kind of the things that I did. Now, the first thing I noticed about the tool is I was always afraid it was like some type of a blade, almost like a razor blade or something, but it's not. The carbide is this, and it's like just a flat surface, really. This is more dangerous than this. So basically what I did was I found that opening it as wide as possible, and you'll see there's oil there, I'll go through that in a minute. Opening it as wide as possible is the best. And if you look here, there's basically it's flat, it kind of goes down, and then there's like an angle there. So what they're talking about is they want you to go from the pivot out, and you're just let me get like this. Okay, open it as wide as possible. You're just going like from the pivot out to the edge. Now they tell you to do 4 or 5 times. Mine was like in horrible condition, so I actually had to do it more than that, but see, there's kind of like hiccups like that. Yeah, that's pretty much, and you can feel it gets really sharp really fast. The edge, the tip of my thing didn't even have, it wasn't even sharp anymore. It was gone. So this is very, very, very useful. I feel like everyone with tools should have this and should be doing this every step of the way from the beginning. But anyway, and it's only a couple dollars for this tool, under $5. All right. Oh no, I think it's like, I don't know what it was, $5, $6, something like that. So look, and what I was saying about this is, this is a very old lopper, or it hasn't been well maintained. It cost $14 originally, and I use it for my pine cones. So the pine cones have sap and things like that. The logic of buying a brand new one, just for that, is silly because it's going to get messed up. It is. So here's the other side, and basically what you have to do here is, you know, while you're doing the other side, you might get kind of like little pull-ups like that. It might roll over a little bit. So you're just gonna go once, and this is a very flat thing. You don't have to like worry about the bevel or the angle. And you're just gonna go back towards the pivot this time and just take away all that. And you see how I got shiny right there? That's it. So now, yeah, it's very sharp now. Even sharper than when I did it before. And I'll keep this tool, and I'll actually go through my loppers and even my cheap ones that I bought from like Dollar Tree or something. I'll see if I can get them sharper with this. It's, I give it, I mean, this was really good. This is a really good thing. I think I got this from Walmart or something, but it really, really works. So, all right. The other thing I did after that was just take some like WD-40 or something. I put it on a rag, and I just kind of dropped a little bit in there and just lubricated the joint. So if you hear it now, remember before it was so crunchy, that's how it sounds now. I'm very happy with the results. This is a simple thing that if we can do it, you can do it. And you saw it took about 5 minutes. That's how you do it.